Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm a little OCD. So I was really excited to find these Feeke lint brush. Because my bedspread is dark, it's so easy to see all those pieces of lint, and it drives me crazy. So I've seen a lot of different brands, and I've had a hard time finding the right ones. And the reason why I like these is that it's not a razor or anything that's designed to kind of cut off these pieces, but instead it's a fabric. It's very similar, I think, to what the original lint brush was, but it works so well. And you really have to pay attention to the direction of the arrow because it's designed to also clean it. So if you go in the direction that the arrow tells you, it's going to pick up the lint. If you go the opposite direction, it's going to deposit the lint. So really need to make sure you pay attention to that. I love it. It does such a good job picking everything up, and it's very easy to clean. All you do is you run your finger in the opposite direction of that arrow and it comes right off, and you throw it in the trash and you're good to go. Are great for not only my bed, but for my jackets, any piece of clothing, my husband's suits. It is so nice. I like that it comes in a pair so I can have one at home and then one in my purse because lint is everywhere. So it's good to always make sure you look your best. I definitely recommend these. I have used a lot of different lint rollers. These are great because you don't have to change out the sheet. You don't have to worry about it snagging or ripping anything. They are wonderfully designed, and that's my point of view.